Good morning, folks. It is exactly 9:30 a.m. at the location in Greensboro. Condos. Guys want to clean that area up here. Let's see if it's bloom in. See all that? You want all that taken care of. You also want the sidewalk. Want the steps taken care of as well. Sidewalk always come down all the way around. Going through here. We're gonna cut this, get this taken care of. Right through here. And we're gonna stop at the end of the steps. Then we gotta do this. Over here, and the inside. That's what they want taken care of. And that's what we're gonna do, deliver. Stay tuned before now. All right, good morning, folks. It is 10:40. Just took care of the customer. Condo. And you can see it. See if I can bring it up close to you. And look at the neighbor. Tremendous difference. Around the side. Got the front porch. Looking all good. Beautiful flowers. Landscape. All right through here. Sidewalk complete. All the way around. And this is where they want to stop at. So you see the difference from there to here. All around. Tremendous change. You see where I stopped at?